Hi everyone, and what's up guys? And as I said in this video, we have just going to begin to program in our C Sharp. So for today I prepare some lessons about variables and data types. What is data types and how can we create some of our variables? So for that we are going to the assets folder and we are going to create the new C# script in order to we can program in our C# script. Again, right click in the assets folder, go up here, create, and click on the C# script and give the name whichever you want. So I will give my first script. I will give the name my first script and click enter in order to our Visual Studio open our script. So we are waiting a little bit. And now our Visual Studio open our script and we are good to go. So in order to we can create some variable, we must first use the data type. And the data type in programming is a classification that specifies which type of value variable has and what type of mathematical or logical operation can be applied on it. So for example, if we create now here, so if we create int number is equal to 5, and what does this mean? So we create an integer variable which has the name number and which has a value of 5. So integer accept just the whole number. So integer cannot accept decimal number. So we cannot pass like that. So it will automatically give me an error. And for that we use integer just for whole numbers. And moving on, we are going to now create float number decimal is equal to, for example, 3.2f. And you can imagine, so float is a data type that accepts and whole and decimal numbers. So it accepts and whole and decimal numbers instead of integer that accept just the whole numbers. So moving forward, another data type is a string. String give the name text, and in these empty quotes we can type whichever word we want. So strings accept text in general, so we can in these empty quotes type whichever text we want. So I can, for example, type this impossible word and semicolon at the end, and we now create these three variables. And last one variable for today, actually the data type is going to be boolean. So bool name is true or false, and our boolean just checking does our variable is true or false. And you can imagine, so boolean can accept just these two values. So it can accept just the true, or can accept so no audio data, and can accept false. So now we create some of data types, some of variables that we will test in the next video. So this is this for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I think you learned something new, and I will see you in the next video.